Hi everyone, Miss Sophia here. How are you guys doing today? So, today I brought this book over here. Actually, we brought babies here as well. So, we're here to read a book called Mom, the Monsters, written by Liliana Cinetto. Let's start. Baby, can you excuse me, please? Come here. Here. Stay. Stay. Okay? She wants to participate. All right, let's get started. No, no, not now. Not now. Okay? Not now. Mom, the monsters. Phoebe. Stop. Stop now. Once upon a time, I was very, very afraid at night. Terribly afraid. So afraid that my hands shook like this, like leaves on the trees. And my teeth chattered like this. And my heart beat like this. Dum, 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 dum. Right, Phoebe? Yeah. I was afraid because I thought that they were hiding in the dark. Hairy monsters with sharp teeth who smelled like dirty socks. Ugh. Look at them. They are so yucky. And then there were them. Dreadful ghosts floating in the dark, trailing dust and cobwebs. Or them witches with messy hair and pointy hats and yellow eyes. Or even them, huge ogres with huge hands and huge feet and huge mouths full of green drool. Ooh. Can you imagine green drool from ogres? Ugh. I was sure that they wanted to catch me or turn me into a toad. Ribbit, ribbit. Or eat me with a sprinkling of parsley. So in the middle of the night, I'd shout, Mom! The monsters! And Mom would put me in the light and sing songs until I went back to sleep. And in the dark corner, the monsters and the witches and the ghosts and the ogres waited. They did not move. But they were watching me. Then, one day, Mom got tired of always having to get up in the middle of the night. You're a big boy now. You shouldn't be afraid anymore. But Mom, the monsters. Monsters don't exist, she said, as she vacuumed under my bed, sucking up the dust and some hairy monsters. Look at Mom, vacuuming. The monsters, the ones with sharp teeth and who smelled like dirty socks. What about the ghosts? I asked. They don't exist either. She said that she loaded the washing machine with towels and sheets and a few dreadful ghosts. The ones who floated about trailing dust and cobwebs. Look at the monster, the ghosts. But what about the witches? I asked. Not at all, she said, while she tidied up the closet, straightening the books and a few witches. The ones with messy hair and pointy hats and yellow wives. And the ogres, I wanted to know. No way, said Mom, as she swept the kitchen floor, brushing up the crumbs and bits of paper and a few huge ogres. Look at Mom. The ones with huge hands, huge feet, and huge mouths full of green drool. Are you sure, Mom? Are there really no monsters? They are just stories, dear, she told me, while she washed the dishes and the monsters, and ironed the sheets and the ghosts. Look at Mom ironing and washing the dishes. And while she cleaned the furniture and the witches and rested on the sofa with some comfy cushions and huge ogres, that's why I'm not scared of anything now. Monsters, ghosts, witches, and ogres don't come to my bedroom anymore. They are too afraid because they know that their biggest nightmare lives in my house. Look, who is their biggest nightmare? My mom. That's right. My mom is their biggest nightmare, so they should be afraid. Not me. The end. Did you like the story? If you liked it, clap your hands.